Here's a quick 2-minute leg workout that's going to work on your strength and mobility. Let's go. Ow. We're going to do some Cossack switches. The first one is going to be a little bit rough. That's okay. We're going to do 5 in total. Whew. Here's 2 and 3. Ooh. And 4. Remember to breathe. Here is 5. That is 5 Cossack switches. Let's get into another position. Bring your legs in together. We're gonna do some deep squats. Just hang out. Come on down slowly. Come back up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. Do some hip circles. Shake out those hips for a second, and let's get into some ATG split squats. What that means is we're planting this knee over here, and we're pushing it forward way in front of our toes. Come on up. 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna do 5 on the other side now. Let's go. Bring that knee in front of those toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. That was a quick 2-minute leg workout that you can do anywhere, working on your strength and mobility. Subscribe for more fitness content and ultra fast workouts.